Hmm.
It is 7 LPA for in and 50 for annual bonus they gave. And I can say internship only helped me to get this job.
See that project, more than 1,100 students got job using that project only.
He was very interested in that what internship part I mentioned.
Okay, okay.
He was very curious about it. He was asking questions only on that part itself.
The way you are able to communicate, the way you are able to negotiate, I can easily guarantee within 1.5
Mm.
year or 2 years, you will reach 20 LPA without any hurdle. If you put a
Thank you,
little
sir.
bit.
Hello, sir. Good afternoon.
Hi, good afternoon. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good, sir. How about you, sir?
I'm doing great.
Yeah,
I'm doing
yeah,
great.
happy.
When did we have the session last time? I think it was just 1 month ago, right? We had
Yes,
one
yes.
on 22nd July, not even a month.
Yeah.
Great,
Yes.
great, great. Okay, I told you last time that we'll have one on once you crack the job, right? It has become
Yes,
our
yes,
day.
sir.
Great, great,
Yeah.
great. How
Yeah,
did the
now
internship
I'm
go?
happy also. Yeah, interview was good. There was 3 rounds. First round was they asked question on machine learning algorithms, and then they gave one.
No, now it's fine. You just tell me about your
Uh,
first round. How did it go?
yeah, the first round was very good. It was only for half an hour. They asked me about ML algorithms, and then he gave me one question to write the coding question to draw a pyramid with star in
Okay.
Python. So I did that one. So first round was good. Then that's next day itself I got they sent me when are you free for a second round like that. So I have taken some time to prepare. So I gave next week time. So Wednesday I give second round. Even the second round, he was taken. The interview was having almost 15 years of experience. I saw his LinkedIn profile. Like now he is doing PhD in Institute in
Okay.
artificial intelligence. He was worked in and all. When I saw his profile, I was somewhat in
Clear.
tension and serious. What he will ask questions in depth and all, because I know only the basics of the things in data science. I learned only from 6 months back. That's it. But the interviewer was very good. He was nice. He was very interested in that what internship part I mentioned.
Okay. Okay.
He was very curious about it. He was asking questions only on that part itself. I have answered all the questions. Then he asked how end-to-end machine learning project work like that. I have answered that question as well. Then he gave one question to find the counter flip coin. There will be 100 data set coins. And then he gave the weight of the non-counterfeit and the counterfeit coin. Will you find the counterfeit coin like that? He asked. So I have answered there will be only one weighing machine will be there.
Okay.
Like that the question was there, and then I have answered. Like first I thought there will be this type of question somewhere I saw some 4 months back. So I thought there will be two weighing machine. I thought I will divide the data set, then I will weigh. Then he told no, there will be only one weighing machine. You have to weigh once. Okay, then I thought and I said I will weigh all together since I know the weight and all. I can calculate it like that. I said yeah, this is the right answer. You have told correctly. He told. Then
Okay.
he gave one data set, housing price data set. It was having only 4 columns. I need to do linear regression. I need to develop linear regression model. So it does not have I checked for null values and all. It does not have any null values. It was having one categorical column. So I need to do 1 not encoding. Then he told no, time is not there. Don't do that. Skip that column. Go for other linear regression like that. He told. Then I did it, and then he asked me to show the R2 square, R square score. Then
That's good.
I showed him the R square score. Then he said, "Yeah, I'm okay with all the steps." He said.
Awesome, awesome.
Yeah, and
So,
in the internship part, he asked one question Facebook has stopped web scraping thing. How did you do? Then I answered, I will log in through login ID and password so that I can scrap the things. But I was not sure this is correct. But
that's the correct answer
because when I
actually.
when I saw the code, I saw that I will log in through that thing and do
Right.
the scrapping thing. Oh, then
Hmm.
he was very enthusiastic and he was very interested to know more about it. And I can say internship only helped me to get this job.
See that project, more than 1,100 students got job using that project only. So that is the
Mm.
real-time industry project that we do it, right? So it is very tricky actually. Okay,
Yes, yes,
because
correct.
that's new kind of project which is very suitable for startups actually.
Yes,
So
yes, correct.
it's great that you managed everything properly, right? So
Yeah.
when you're in interview, you should follow your intuition. That's what you proved.
Yeah, yes, yes.
Great.
Yeah, like when they sent me first mail, they didn't call me, okay? First they sent me mail itself. Then they asked for expected. Like I said 8 LPA. Then they said okay. Then that time only they said. After proceeding everything, yesterday it was HR round. She asked me all how will be there in after 5 years, like all HR kind of questions only she asked, nothing else. Then she asked me why you changed the domain. Like I was working in Akkodis. Why you change the domain? Like how you will be? You should like how you should be working. Like you have to be with a big team people or a less team people like that and all. She asked. So I have answered. Then she asked the expected also. Then I said I will like based on my experience and my technical skills, I will be expecting around 8.5 to 10. I said like this. Then she told it will be more than 100%. Like the previous in Akkodis, I was having 4 LPA. It will be more than 100%. She told. Then I said I have given my more than 100%. Like I am very enthusiastic in this field, and I will prove that I will be an
Worth it. Hmm.
yeah, worth
Worth
it. Like
your
that
job.
I said.
Okay.
Then she said I will discuss with the CEOs and let you know. Like the one who taken my 2 interviews, though both are CEOs only.
Oh,
So I
okay.
will. Yeah, it is startup only. They have started 1 year back.
Okay.
Uh, so they yeah, evening I got mail like the offer letter which I
Hmm.
sent you.
Hmm.
It is 7 LPA for in hand and 50 for annual bonus they
Hmm.
gave.
Right. So what happens is
Yeah.
these startups, they will be having fundings, no? So they have some rules.
Yes.
They cannot give
Mm.
100% right. So because of that only, they might have done it. But don't worry, it's a good boost because let's say after
Yeah,
1 year,
yeah.
if you're planning to switch, you can easily make around 12 to 14 lakhs. Not an issue. Easily you can make it.
Okay,
Yeah.
sir.
Can you
Mm.
brief me about your educational qualification, background, and what did you do?
Yeah, I did BE in aeronautical from Acharya Institute of Technology. I have passed out in 2019 with 8.15 CGPA. Then I
Okay.
joined TLE Technology as a trainee engineer. I was working for an Airbus project.
Hmm.
I'm like aircraft maintenance manual. I was working for aircraft maintenance manual, and then
Okay.
I joined Akkodis. Like TLE Technology was a subcontractor of Akka Technology. It was in France. When then they are planning to set up in India, and like in the COVID period, they set up in India, and all the projects they have given to TLE, they have taken back to them. So at that
Okay.
time, even my managers are went to the Akka company itself. So at that time, I went and joined there. So I was working on the same project for the 2.5 years.
Okay. Okay.
No, then I
After that,
decided yeah, that job is not it. Everything will be there. It is like copy pasting job. I can say I need to analyze something. Just do that's it. There is no career growth in that field. And only there are only 5 companies over there:
working.
Capgemini, Akka, and Alten, and some other. But other company team are not good compared to Akkodis. So
Okay.
if I need to be in that field, I should be in the same salary itself. And obviously, they will give 5% or it's less than 5% hike itself. They won't increase the more. So then I thought why should I shift to other field, IT field like that? Then
Right.
I
That would
found
be a
this
great
field.
decision, no?
Yeah.
Um,
uh,
The way you are able to communicate, the way you are able to negotiate, I can easily guarantee within 1.5
mm,
year or 2 years, you will reach 20 LPA without any
oh,
hurdle. If you put a
thank you,
little
sir.
bit, yeah, if you put a
Uh,
little bit more, what do you say, while working, if you put more efforts,
mm,
easily 20 is not a big deal for you. That I can assure you. Okay.
okay.
Yeah, you
Uh,
stay in touch. However, we'll be getting requirements from outside also. Okay, like USA,
okay.
UK also will be getting the requirements. Okay. So we
Mm,
will add you
mm.
to our talent pool also. Okay. So once
Oh,
you work for
okay.
1.5 years, once you gather some good experience, Okay, that
Mm.
time you can start applying for that. Easily you can achieve good what is the part over there. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Right. So I one suggestion from my side, focus more on
Mm.
communication skills. Okay,
Okay.
because
Uh,
that's what will make you grow in the career. Because
yes, yes.
data science,
Mm.
coding, all these fields are good for 4 to 5 years. Later on, you need to move to
Mm.
management, right?
Yes, yes. Yes,
For
correct.
that, you need to have good communication skills. Focus on that. Whatever you have done,
Mm.
it's really good, right?
Okay,
Any
sir.
any
Okay.
suggestions you want to give to newcomers who are learning? Any suggestions that you want to give?
They should practice more on algorithm parts as well, because we can't say anything, like they can ask anything in the interview because the
Yeah.
day before the when the first interview I was known, they will ask a ML algorithm. I was learning all types of algorithm, like up sampling, down sampling, what are the techniques we will use. I was learning everything, but he asked only some questions. In the second round as well, he did, like he asked how to end to end machine learning works. That's it. He didn't ask to explain linear regression or any other ML models. So we can't we should be prepared in every part.
Very
Uh,
good point of view.
I can say like that. We should be prepared in every part, and I think in most of the interview they will give one data set and ask us to do. So if
Right.
we know the steps, we can do it easily.
Right.
Uh,
Okay, that's great and really great talking to you. Okay, so they are asking
okay.
internship certificate, right?
Yeah,
So while
internship center.
okay, done. So whatever we had the commitment after placement finished. Connect with
Mm.
Ankita. She will help you with all the process. Okay, and you can get your
Okay.
internship. Okay.
Okay. Now I need to pay 10K, right, for
And
internship?
yes, after placement,
Okay,
yeah.
okay.
You got really
Yeah.
lucky. I have to say that. It's
Yes.
really good that so company's name is Copperhead Digital, right?
Copper Pot Digital.
Copperpot Digital, right? Okay.
Yeah.
So which country? The origin is from India only, or
Yeah,
they
Bangalore, Kormangla. Bangalore, Kormangla.
it's work from home or work from office?
It is, they said it is flexible, like for 3 days
Hybrid.
work from office and 2 days work from home, like